Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you guys to my cue card videos. And in these videos there is a playlist. Actually, I discuss most important cue cards. So the card of the day is: describe a person who you believe dresses well. Dress up is a verb. Dresses is a verb actually, with third person singular. Describe a person you believe dresses well or dresses up well. Now, first of all, you need to think about a person. It can be your friend, parents, anyone in your neighborhood, your relatives, or anyone like that. Even a teacher. You can talk about a teacher as well. Who this person is, present tense. This cue card is in present tense. What kind of dress he or she wears, present tense. And how do you know him or her? This is also present. Okay, so this cue card is, there are two cue cards which you can cover in the same way. Describe a person who likes to dress fashionably, or describe a person who you believe dresses well. Both cue cards are same. Now, immediately you need to make a map, and they will give you 1 minute to think about the topic, write down some notes, and after 1 minute you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes in actual exam. By the way, I'm going to demonstrate an answer which is going to be for at least 7 band, because I myself got 8 band in Ielts speaking, so this can be a good demo for you. But anyways, I'm a non-native speaker, so there can be any irregularities in my English too. So let's start. Well, the person who dresses up in a very trendy way is none other than my best friend. His name is Faisal Hafiz. Faisal Hafiz is one of my best friends, and the way he dresses up, it's really elegant. He looks elegant, he looks marvelous in this dress. As I mentioned, the person is my best buddy, and we've been friends for 20 years now. I met him in 2003, and since then we've been meeting and chatting and talking to each other. He usually wears traditional dresses. As in my country, the traditional dress is a long shirt along with a trouser. There is a waistcoat, sometimes coat. So he mostly wears the traditional dress, but the way he wears the traditional dress, he looks very nice. He looks gorgeous in that dress. His fashion sense, and then the color combination, the fabric of the cloth that he wears, that is literally awesome, and he looks so elegant. He looks like, iconic. He looks like a national icon when he wears that dress, because he mostly wears our national dress. So whenever he wears such type of dress, he looks like a real Pakistani, or like the Pakistani posture as well. Well, I have known this person for a long time. We met in 2003 or 2, and we met in a local language center, and since then we became very good. At that time we became very good friends, and since then we've been meeting, talking, chatting. We've been traveling together. So this has been my understanding with that person. Finally, I would say, the way he dresses up, sometimes I feel jealous, because I want to be trendy like him. I want to look like him, and at times I try to copy his fashion as well. Okay, so I talked about my real friend. Faisal Hafiz is my good friend, and he always dresses up in a very trendy way. So in the same way, if you think about someone who really exists, then it becomes easier for you to speak on that. Why? Because the person is there. You can think about the person, you can visualize the person, you can imagine the person, and then you can talk. All the best, guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck from Namli Mera near Nathia Gali. Take care. Allah Hafiz.